This is NOAA Weather Radio. Flash flood warning for the following county: Fayette, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch. Addition rainfall 3/4 to 1 inch. Some locations that will experience flooding include Uniontown, Masontown, Fairchance, and New Salem. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Now for the